Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tommy Akridge from Tommy Akridge Designs, and today we're going to take some pallet wood that I received from a shipment of furniture, which is pine, and we're going to turn it into this table. This table is just in time for my wife for Mother's Day, and this is what she asked for, and the finish on it is what she asked for. But she hasn't seen it yet, and she'll see it this afternoon when she comes home, and I know she's going to be surprised and excited. So, just to say a little bit more about it before we get started, it had screws and staples. Now the screws I took out, and you'll see I reused them on this project. So this table cost me nothing except for the little bit of paint that I used in it. And the finish I used was the latex paints. I rubbed it, and once it dried, I sanded it, and sanded it so you could see the wood back through it, and then I put 2 coats of lacquer on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and before I go any further, I just want to say thank you to all my loyal subscribers who call and comment all the time. Well, I have had some call, and it really means a lot. Making one of these videos is a lot of work. You know, you go in that shop and you want to work, and all you want to do is just get to it and concentrate and get done fast. But when you're doing a video, you have to do a little bit, stop, move the camera, do a little bit, stop, always thinking ahead what you're going to do with the camera. So it's a huge distraction in the shop, but I enjoy showing you what I do. If you learn from it, it's a good thing. I just enjoy it, and I just really want to thank those who do comment and encourage me as you do. So without any further ado, let's turn a piece of pallet wood into a table. Okay, so there you have it. You notice I did the boards in planks, and I chamfered my edges. I did that on purpose because I wanted to look like separate plank boards, and you know, I turned it and glued it later after I finished it because I wanted the finish to be separate from each board. And you know, I put that 2 coats of lacquer on it, and that lacquer is going to protect this top. So, if you got any questions about it, give me a comment. Hit me on the comment section. We'll talk about it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button and see me do something else. So, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.